The Dream Tree. My name is Melisabeth Mosquera Mosquera. I am 46 years old, live in Quito, Choco, with my family. I door older brother. We are from Choco, Depart. Mi profesión is business and administration, but I am teacher of the UNAD. My dream vacation going to be in the country is it each part of the cult and Rizal. Igon the next month in August. I going to be on my vacation for days. I going to stay and the Terremont tourist fair is a wonderful place. I going, I going today visiting the tourist place like Soleil Valle de Caure. Salerfon, Salenkin, Coran Valley, Finlandia Kingdom, House Spring on Santa Rosa de Cabal, Nevados National Natural Park. What are you going to wear? Uh, it go to take but you 4 or 5 meals. I go for my next beautiful view barbecue with my family, my mom, my five bam, my brother is my sister. Thank you.